Welcome back to the cabin. It is mid-July and it's a hot day. Temperatures in the high 80s. Came up here for a few days. I want to start to build a small shed, 4 foot by 8 foot. I think it's going to go over there. So I'm siting it now, trying to get the blocks level, and tomorrow the wood's supposed to arrive. So we'll see how much we can get done this week. Luckily, by 1 or 2 o'clock it gets shady over here where I'm working, so I think I'm going to survive. This location is on a little bit of a hill. The 2 blocks furthest away are on the uphill side. So first I'll see if I can dig down and remove some soil. And then the plan is to put some gravel down underneath each of these 16 square inch pads, and then rest the concrete blocks on the pads. So what I'm going to do initially is I'm going to make like a 17-inch square section of dunnage, and then I'll situate that where the gravel's going to go, and then I'll pour the gravel in and use the dunnage to hold the gravel in place. So I have to do that 4 times. But first of all, I need to get this somewhat leveled out. This is what it looks like after a couple hours work. This side is still slightly low, but I still have to put the gravel underneath it. So I think that should raise it up pretty close to level, or at least good enough. Everything's level, but when I look at this end here, when I add 6-inch floor joists underneath the shed, that's going to raise it up another 1/2 foot. It's going to be quite a step up. So I'm wondering if I should just do away with the cinder blocks. Drop everything down. Since I'm using pressure treated wood, it should not be an issue having it close to the ground. I think I'll try that, see how it looks. I got rid of the cinder blocks and I leveled everything out, and that's going to work much better, I think. It's not going to be quite as high off the ground. Maybe 1 or 2 steps I'll need. That's it. Or a ramp for the wheelbarrow to go up there. This shed is going to be for firewood, for my wheelbarrow, for my generator, and store gas, things like that. My wood is finally delivered. Wasn't until 4 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. So I did some painting while I was waiting for the wood to arrive. Now I gotta move all these 2x4s to get at the 3/4 inch plywood on the bottom for the floor. So today is Wednesday. It's another hot day. Temperatures in the high 80s. I put the platform together this morning in the sun, and now at 1:30 in the afternoon I've got some shade, so working here the rest of the day will be a lot nicer than this morning. Well, we have some drizzle this morning. Let's see how much I can get done before this rain gets heavy. That's supposed to be this afternoon. I'd like to get that second side wall up and the front wall as well. We'll see. For 3 of the walls, I was able to use the deck platform for a flat surface to frame the walls, but this last wall, the front one, I couldn't do that. So I used the cinder blocks and a 2x4 to make somewhat level platform so I could frame the front wall. Now we gotta move it up into place. So I got the jack studs in. So now I gotta put the header, door header over the door. should do it. Now I got to put the top plate on and tie everything together. That is going to do it for this trip. I was able to get the top plates on both sides, so they're locked together, and I got the jack studs in and the header for the door. I gotta start packing up now and head back. It's getting late in the afternoon. Next trip, hopefully we'll get the sheathing up and get started on the roof rafters. This just has a shed roof, so it'll be pretty simple. And after that, I've got a sheet of that orange roofing engineered board, a 4x8 sheet of that. I'll use that for the roof. And then we'll just need some trim, and I'm going to put shingles on this too. So shingling will probably take a day. It's very small, only 32 square feet. So, thanks for watching this shed build. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you back at the cabin next time.